Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Then again 1 minus 6 is equal to also minus 5. Now minus 5 multiply minus 5 is equal to plus 25. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, here is one parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So 1 minus 6. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. First priority is multiplication and division. Then we have to solve addition and subtraction. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay. So 1. Now minus 6 multiply minus 5 is equal to plus 30. Now 1 plus 30 is equal to 31. Okay. So the correct answer is 31. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.